Can I build a high-performance PC in 5 minutes? Let's put the JONSBO C6 ITX Black Mini ITX case to the test. Timer set, 5 minutes on the clock. Let's go. First challenge, find a spot for my compact build. This case is only 202mm wide. Super easy to fit anywhere. Grab the handle, so lightweight and portable. Unclip the Velcro fastened top handle in seconds. Check out these full mesh panels, airflow everywhere. Tool-free quick release. Pop the top open instantly. All other sides lift off from the inside, no tools needed. Remove the ventilation grill. Fan install made simple. Motherboard time, ITX or mini-DTX. Both fit perfectly. Drop in the ITX board, snaps right into place. ATX power supply support, up to 140mm, no sweat. Slide in the PSU, tight but fits like a glove. Now for the GPU, supports up to 255mm length. Install the graphics card, plenty of space left. CPU cooler clearance, up to 170mm, tower coolers welcome. Mount a 120mm fan on top for max cooling. Optional rear and bottom fans, customize your airflow. Or use the bottom slot for a 3.5 HDD. SSD install, easy, just swap with the HDD bay. 4 expansion slots, add your favorite cards. Front I/O, Type-C, USB 3.0, audio, mic, everything you need. Steel plate construction, 0.7mm thick for durability. All hardware accessible, no cramped hands or frustration. Panels snap back on, no screws, no hassle. Check the airflow, mesh on every side keeps it cool. Plug-in power, moment of truth. Boots up instantly, no overheating, no noise. Let's check the timer. How fast did we build it? Under 5 minutes. That's a new personal record. Compared to my old bulky case, took 30 minutes and lots of tools. Look at the size difference. JONSBO C6 ITX saves so much space. Airflow test. Mesh panels keep temps super low. Old case, stuffy and hot. JONSBO, cool and breezy. Portability test. Grab the handle and go. Super easy to carry, perfect for LAN parties or work. Durability check. Reinforced corners, solid steel build. No rattling, no flex. Feels premium and reliable. RGB lighting looks amazing through the mesh panels. Quick upgrade? Pop off the panels and swap parts fast. No more struggling with tight spaces or tiny screws. Perfect for gamers, builders, and small office setups. Need a powerful PC in a small space? This is it. No compromise on cooling or performance. Ideal for custom builds, flexible and modular. Show off your hardware with the open frame design. Take it anywhere, work, game, or create on the go. Front I/O makes connecting devices a breeze. Supports all your favorite components, no limits. Upgrade ready, swap fans, drives, or GPU anytime. Fits perfectly on any desk, no wasted space. No more cable mess. Easy access for clean builds. Mesh panels mean dust filters are easy to clean. SFF design, big performance, tiny footprint. Building a PC has never been this fast or fun. No tools, no stress, just snap, build, and play. Perfect for first-time builders and pros alike. Time to level up your setup with JONSBO C6 ITX. Ready for your next LAN party or office move. Portable, powerful, and stylish. What more could you want? Don't settle for bulky cases or slow builds. Experience the freedom of tool-free upgrades. Keep your system cool and quiet with full mesh airflow. Show off your build with pride. Looks amazing anywhere. Join the challenge. Can you build faster than me? Try the JONSBO C6 ITX for yourself today. Click the link, grab yours, and start building now. JONSBO C6 ITX. Compact power, built for speed. Please visit my website, search here, bestsmartzone.com.